Step 2. Melting the lead. Once the lead is received at the ammunition manufacturing plant, it is melted down in large vats or furnaces at about 600 degrees Fahrenheit. The lead is then held in a casting machine that will extrude or squeeze the molten lead through a die or mold to form the shape of the bullet. Different calibers have different molds, so for example a 45 caliber bullet mold will obviously be different than a 22 caliber bullet mold. Step 3. The jacketing process. After the lead is formed into its basic shape, it is placed into a die that cuts off the excess lead and forms the final shape of the bullet. The partially formed bullet then moves on to a quench tank, where it is immediately cooled in cold water to solidify the shape. The next step is to add a jacket or a thin metal shell around the lead core. This step increases the bullet's structural integrity, allowing for higher velocities and more consistent expansion upon impact. To do this, the bullet is placed in a two-piece die set. The upper section of the die is swaged or hammered over the bullet to form the jacket. This forms what is called a cannelure or a groove that helps the bullet hold the jacket in place. The jacket also has a special lubricant inside it that allows the bullet to easily slide through the barrel rifling. Step 4. The sizing process.